Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted an Autowatch Ghost to this beautiful Nissan GTR. Customers are a bit paranoid about them stealing it due to the high risk of the vehicle, so we fitted this. How it basically works is every time you jump in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, go through a button push sequence, get a double flash and start the vehicle. So we'll go through it now. So basically ignition on, wait for about 5 seconds for the can to wake up on this particular vehicle, and then insert your push sequence. So we've done something simple. So 4 buttons presses here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash from the indicators. Foot on the brake. Start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. When we turn off the ignition, within about 5 seconds, the vehicle will immobilise itself. So if someone was to clone your key, jump in and try and start it, this is what would happen. So foot on the brake, ignition on, try and start it, vehicle won't start. Really clever. Also, this has the capability to put it into valet mode, so if it goes for a service, you can place it into valet mode. The way you do that is ignition on, wait about 5 seconds for the can to wake up, insert your push sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash from the indicators, there you go. And then this time, hit the rear demister 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flashes. From the indicators, that now means it's in valet mode, so I can start it as many times as I want, move the vehicle around, take it for a service, take it for a car wash. To take it out of valet mode, it will come out of 2 different ways. Turn on the ignition, wait for 5 seconds, put your code in, get a double flash, and that will jump out of valet mode. Or if the vehicle goes over 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes solid, it will jump out of valet mode, and then when it goes back to the workshop, they won't be able to start it. So what we do now is we'll take it out of valet mode. So ignition on, wait 5 seconds for the can to wake up, insert your code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double flash from the indicators, and start your vehicle. There you go, vehicle running. Turn off the ignition, leave it a few seconds, go to start it again, vehicle won't start. There you go, vehicle won't start. There you go, vehicle blocked. Okay, we're also going to show you now how to change the code. So should someone see the code and you want to change it, this is also straightforward. So ignition on, wait 5 seconds for the can to wake up, insert your push sequence, so 1, 2, 3, 4, indicators double flash, foot down on the accelerator all the way down, insert the same code, 1, 2, 3, 4. When the indicators begin to flash, let go of the accelerator and insert your push sequence. So here we're going to select something very, very straightforward. We're going to use the mode button. So you see the indicators are flashing away. So now every time we push this button, if it's on the network, the indicators will flash to say, yep, we can use this button. You can push the buttons anything between 4 to 21 times. Once you've selected your push sequence, it will pause, give you a 3 flash handshake, and then ask for the same code again. So we're going to do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see the indicators are flashing away. It's going to give me 3 flashes to say it likes it. I'm now going to do the same button again. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to give me 2 flashes and a little double flash to say it's now learnt on the mode button. So if I now turn the ignition off, turn the ignition on, wait for the can to wake up and try the old code. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch the indicators. No flashing. So obviously we've got the new code in there. So to do that again, ignition completely off. Turn the ignition on. Wait for about 5 seconds and insert your new code that we've changed it to. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double flash. Start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. I hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.